Okay, now student, we'll discuss page 195. Okay, while pipe fills more. Okay, which pipe fills more? Collect some old postcards. Okay, postcards means like this. Okay, old postcard like this. They're like old postcards, the rectangular form, old postcard. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to collect some old postcards. You can also use thick paper of size 14 centimeter and 9 centimeter. Okay, if you do not have this type of postcard, you can take a thick paper also. Okay, but the size will be, length will be 14 centimeter. Okay, length will be 14 centimeter and width will be 9 centimeter. Okay, this type of thick paper you can take for this activity. Fold the postcard along with the width to make pipe 1. Okay, there are two pipes. This is a pipe 1 and this is a pipe 2. Okay, so what we do, fold the postcard along with the width to make pipe 1. Join the end with sellotape and join the end. That means this, we will fold the postcard like this. Okay, like suppose this is the postcard. Okay, this is the postcard, we will fold it like this. Okay, this way we will fold it, this way we will fold it. Okay, then what we will get, we will get like a pipe, we'll get like a pipe like this. Okay, this way. Now fold the postcard along with the width to make pipe 1. So in this way, if you fold the postcard, if you fold the postcard like this, they will get a pipe like this. Okay, pipe 1. But in this way we will fold the postcard widthwise. Okay, widthwise. This way we fold the postcard lengthwise. We have folded the postcard lengthwise. Okay, now in next one, take another postcard. You take another postcard. Okay, and fold it along the length to make it a pipe 2. This one. Okay, pipe 2. That means once you have to fold the postcard like this. Okay, widthwise you can post the fold, you can round the postcard like this. Okay, you will get a pipe like this. If you fold it like this, if you fold it, then you will get a pipe like this. Okay, like this you will get a pipe. And another way, you can make a postcard like this. Okay, widthwise and lengthwise. Okay, we will get a pipe like this. Okay, we'll get a pipe like this. So there are two things we have to make. Fold the postcard along with the width to make pipe 1. Okay, if widthwise we will make, then we'll get a postcard like this. Okay, number 2 will be the widthwise. Number 2 will be widthwise and number 1 will be lengthwise. Take another postcard and fold it along with the length to make pipe 2. Oh, okay. Pipe 2, that means this one will be lengthwise. Okay, this one will be lengthwise and this one will be widthwise. Now guess which pipe can take more sand inside it. So what we have to do, we have to put some sand inside the pipe. Okay, we have to fix the what we have to do, we have to fix this, we have to fix it by sellotape. Then we have to stand it like this, and after that we will fill some sand inside the pipe. Okay, guess which pipe can take more sand inside it. Which pipe can take more sand inside it. Hold it on a plate and pour sand to check your guess. Now what we do is, we will put some sand inside the pipe. We will put some sand inside the pipe and we will guess which pipe can take more sand. Okay, was your guess correct? Thank you.